What's good, everyone? Just gonna be going over my last week. Actually, it was only I think Monday, Tuesday. No, it was Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So this week was actually a bit rougher. We came out on the new year, and we were doing actually really well. If you guys saw the other YouTube videos, so trying to keep that up, but some of the market right now is not in our favor, actually. So we're going to be going through, giving you all 3 days of the trade recap. So if we get on in here. All right, so yeah, I did take one Monday. So if we go in right here, we got these highs, these lows, and then this low. So we haven't broken any low yet. And if we come on into it, pause. I gotta stop saying that. I gotta stop saying like come on it or like come with it. I mean anything with the word in it. I hate my school internet. It's actually terrible. It just completely went offline. Hello? Oh my god. Oh my god. Right here, we get that these highs opened up right here on this. Came up here, bang, hit that, came on down, and yeah, just that kind of the dip back down into the fair value gap right down on in here. Had a 15-minute that got already hit up right here. That's probably why we moved up. And then we had this right down there. So, we had some influence that we were going to come back down to here. And I'm pretty sure we took another tiny one right here, but got stopped out on it, which I'm pretty sure that wasn't that big of a loss, if I'm correct. Market opens, we bounce on up, come back down, start retracing. We get this huge candle to the downside. Got stopped out on that one, but then came back down, broke it right here, and then actually came on down throughout there. Overall, deciding reason on why I did think of a short is because of the start of this downtrend. We also, came up, bang, and then right here kind of started the downtrend. 4 black candles right there. And then on this one, you could call it a break of structure. You could also call break of structure somewhere in here, but kind of just waiting for this little line to get swept out. And right here we did. Got here a little premature, but look at the movement we had when we got in. So yeah, it was like right around here we wanted to see a break, and we saw it broke right there, and then keep pushing down. So that's why we got into those there. We break it, we get a lower low right here off of this, and then we get an even lower one right here. So hey, pretty solid. And we just moved off of this 1 minute too. We moved down past that 1 minute, and so fair value gaps were obviously making movements out of stuff. So right here we had another 1 minute right off of this one it being created. Bang. Got in on this candle. I will say I've been slacking a little bit. It's a little bit more difficult. I don't know why, honestly, but a little bit more difficult to trade during these times for sure. Still not down money, but at the same time, I'm not like, oh, I won here, I did this, I won here every day. No, I started out pretty bad some days. Like I took an L this first day, or the first trade the day, and then the second one I did actually make it out the slums a little bit. So, that was good. But this trade just came up, got stopped out right there on these highs. I even had it just a tiny bit ahead of that, on top of that. But hit there, bang, keep coming back on down. And then honestly, saw this tiny 1 minute right here. And I was like, okay, we just broke past our other previous low right here. So I was like, we have to hit it again, right? And then 1 minute, 1, 2, 3, got in on this third one once we broke down past there, bang, and then we convert out to being right there. And so that one was right here at this top. This was the first one that we missed. This is the second one that we hit, which was around I don't know. Hold on. Which is around 880 is what we came out with in profit on this one right here. 2.85 risk reward. I will also have been saying my stop losses have been a lot higher or a lot bigger now. That, I mean, one, kind of trading with a little bit more volume now, just literally like a tiny bit. I think it's 0.05 more of a contract more. So instead of 0.15, it's now 0.2. So it's, I mean, 30%, 33% increase, but I'm already at 61,000 right now. So I was like, okay, we broke the 60,000 mark. So I'd probably be able to scale up just a tiny bit. I think it's $4,100 now instead of 3,300, somewhere around there. But if we get into this second one, come on. Where's Tuesday? Right there, right here. Okay, so Tuesday, right here. Monday, we come down, sweep down, but we don't break past these lows. But this time we did. So before this happened, I was like, okay, we don't break past down here. Still creating, I mean, we're on a downtrend, obviously, but we don't break any highs. And then right as market opened, I'm almost certain we break up into here. And then we start coming way on down. So I think my thing was I didn't mark out this imbalance, I'm pretty sure. So I didn't really think that there's anything stopping us. But once again, we were on a downtrend. But see what we did that day. So this one, this was a struggle, honestly. This one, I pulled this one out of my ass. Like, this one came out of fucking nowhere. Like, this, bam, stopped out, right? This one, bam, stopped out. I'm somehow still on the bias of going up. I couldn't tell you why I actually was doing that, but, you know, just me, just being stupid once again. But, you know, we need to actually, like, realize these things. Oh, we just moved down this much. Oh, probably just going to follow it. Like, I don't know. We're not, like, retracing back and forth a ton like we were in December. We're actually kind of moving more like a stock or some sort of index fund. So 15-minute bang, we rip on up past these previous highs into the imbalance up here, right there, and boom, and get deleted. First one, you guys probably don't even care about that one. So we are gonna kind of move along. Yeah, we'll move along after that. So that one was a 5-minute that got hit in pre-market. Oh yeah, that was another one. I got in this trade like 2 minutes before the market opened, like 9:28 or something. So I was like, okay, we started moving up. I was like, done, easy. And yeah, I didn't see the imbalance that literally everyone was waiting for. Literally everyone. Look, if I would have caught this, what is that, like 600-ish, somewhere around there? Hold on. What? Yeah, about 630-ish. Somewhere around 630. If we would have just targeted some more lows, if I had to take a guess, probably somewhere around here. Look, like, even if I got it out, like, broke those, go down to the next one, it's somewhere around there. That's $200, and I'm done for the day. So just gotta be smarter up here. And then off of this one, this is our second one, got stopped out again, still on the bias of up, even though looking at this, it clearly says we're going down. So I don't know what my brain was thinking this week. I don't know. I just moved in the dorms, back at school. That might be it. Hopefully that's it. I'm going to be really mad if I start being stupid and doing this shit. Would not be fun. But yeah, 5-minute downside, 5-minute upside. We kind of, I mean, you could say we swept liquidity. So, you know, oh, maybe we're going to come back up, come back to these highs. That was the goal. But market did not want to move that way. Pretty sure we had some sort of news this Tuesday as well. Can't remember exactly, but I do know it was not good news. Almost certain. Or whatever news that came out this week was not good news. And then Jimmy Carter dying. Like, bro, let's just close the whole stock market because of Jimmy Carter dying. My bad, bro. Hey, funeral, hey, on my death, in my will, close the stock market. Don't let anyone trade. Yup. Not a big deal though. You know, still catching some bags, a little bit. Not much bags, but a little bit of bags. Who the fuck knows what this is? I don't know. My mind's weird. Probably like a 15-minute, a 4 hour, with a 5 minute and another, I don't know, something like that. No, that 5 minute was already filled. Probably 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, somewhere in there to the downside that has been created. So, my genius actually started to decide to take shorts. And in fact, we did rip the shorts. Now, I'm not gay. Trust me. I don't rip people's shorts off. That's not what I meant. Dude! We just load, and we'll be okay. Perfect. Look at that. We found it. Yay! Oh my god. Yay! Finally. Okay. Bang, get stopped out there, come back, sweep a little bit of, maybe a little bit of liquidity, maybe a little bit, not much, but maybe a little bit. We come up, bang, hit up here. I think I had class or something. I don't even know what I was doing. Tuesday? I gotta be tripping. Yo, did I take... Dude, I'm... brain boggled right now. I don't know what's happening. Oh, I got it. So, come up, come back down, create whatever this is. Fair value gaps, some inverse fair value gap. I'm pretty sure that was both of these. Yeah, but overall, with this one right here, 11.39 R. Hit here, come back in here, start sweeping it on down, you know, rise up to the occasion, bang, 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 selling off all this downside maneuvers. Yeah, came out of the fair value gap, broke there. I actually wanted to see it break this one, this little candle, right in here before I did anything. This one right here, where it comes back up and retraces. If we broke there, then I was probably going to get in, and then I got in right there, and then we even, honestly, great trade, saved us on the day. Like, my ass was whooped. I think it was down 1,600 on the first two, so that was sick. Then we saw this great inverse fair value gap be created to the downside, saying we are going to continue to move to the downside. And I was like, yeah, I'm clicking the button at least 2 more times. So that's what I did, and then adjusted the take profit accordingly, you know? So we caught 11.4 on the main and 4.7 on the little side piece. So if we take the 7th, I'm sure that looks like a lot of fun to explain. Shit. Yup. Okay. First trade. I think that was I don't even know. I don't know. I clicked the button. Stupid, not a lot, but bang, there was a first one, bang, there was a second one, bang, there was a third one, bang, there was a fourth one, and then this, just trying to make some of my money back, being stupid. Literally the dumbest thing I could be doing right now is doing this, and I'm doing it. But then, you know, 1,900, 1,300. I wish I could have just done this, but you know, we had to do all this to get to here and realize, so should not be doing this. Should not. I need to get better at how many trades I take and when I take them, how I take them, just different things like that, really. But that day, I was up $1,143, average winning. That doesn't matter. But yeah, 32. Click the button 32 times, 9% win rate on the day. That's what I like to see. I love to see it. Love it. All right, now that we're done with that trade, let's get into Thursday. Where is it? Yeah, look at this. Wednesday. Wait. Jimmy Carter. That's what he closed Thursday. Closed Thursday, not. I don't even want to show you guys this, but I think I have to. Mistrade, bang, bangers. Mistrade, win. Hey, it's never 3 times. Actually, I can't say that. It was already happened 3 times, but yeah. Let's go into this one now. This one right here had a huge 5 minutes to the downside. Actually was looking pretty good, but we broke some high. We broke this high right here. It came up here. So, I mean, it wasn't really the best. We were kind of creating higher highs and higher lows a little bit, but not much. Plus, I'm pretty sure, yeah. So this one, I was actually just looking at it the whole time. Yeah, what was that? 10:25. Yeah, I was literally in the dead middle of a class right there. And so yeah, I was watching this before class and during class, and this one was too. But just an unfortunate first 2, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of fair value gapped, broke it down past here as we come up above here. I think the one problem was we came up above these highs. If we didn't come up above these highs and we hit this, I feel like we definitely would have broke down. Or even if this would have hit below here, so we get a lower low, and then we go in on it because we see that it has broken some sort of low, and it's probably going to target the next low as well. But unfortunate on that one, and this one, I did switch it up though. Thank God I realized that. But came all the way up to here, retraced back down, came back down, entered in off of that because we hit something, some sort of probably a 1 minute ish, somewhere around there. But yeah, hit there, bang, instantly get stopped out, move up. Probably, yeah, we would have got stopped out twice. Still would have got stopped out, but stopped out again, and then it came up to here. So, I mean, not terrible. I see where I was looking at. I see where I was coming from, but probably just need to be a little bit more, I don't know what I should call it, tedious, maybe a little bit smarter with what times I'm taking it at, because I'm winning a lot more in the later day past like 11 or 12, but yet I wake up in the morning and do the 9:30 because everyone, I mean, yeah, that's just like what you're supposed to do. Get up, trade at 9:30 and pick your time to do it at. But if mine's at 12 and I'm on at 9:30, like, I don't know if I'm really going to be doing all that. I might just, I'm trading after 11, or I'm trading after 12 because that's when I do the best. I don't know. But right now, the morning time is not working. Dude, am I stupid? There's no way I just went past. Honestly, this one wasn't bad. Came up into it. I mean, you could say I got in a little late, but we still would have got stopped out on this one up here. But, I mean, honestly, I feel like that one was pretty good to the downside. I really did like it. Started moving on down pretty well. And then on this candle, when we broke past the bottom of that one, bottom of this one right here, once we broke past the bottom of that one and actually stayed past down it, I was like, okay, we're looking good. And then we hit this 1 minute fair value gap. And I'm like, we're going to go right past it. Nothing's going to happen. Oh, some bullshit's going to happen. Yup. You know it would. I'm just waiting for the bullshit to happen, basically. Get in. Oh, we're going to go the way you think. Oh, no, we're going to turn it on around and drill your stop loss. Just blow it out of the water, Perfect. Okay. Go from there, break this up. I'm like, okay, we have to be moving up. We have to be, right? Bang, 1 minute off the same thing that this one did. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Yeah, and stop loss was actually pretty good on this one. I could have put it down here, but it's like a $1,200 stop loss. I don't know if I want to be doing $1,200 for a stop loss. I'm thinking around the $500 to $800 range, honestly. But, bang, instantly stopped out. Nothing much I can really say. And once again, we didn't break this high, so I thought we were going to pull on down. It just didn't happen the way I thought it would. But later in the day, however, we caught a 3 risk reward. So, what is this? Wednesday 14/27. Yeah, I was in music class. Yeah, I was in a music class since 1750 where I get to learn Beethoven. That's pretty sick. Should be a lot of fun, but yeah, 15-minute, 5-minute, and probably a 1 minute as well. Bang, we enter on in here. We were consistently getting some, bloop, 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 bloop. Break a high. Uh-oh. Nope, now you're coming back, sweeping that liquidity back to the downside, right? Oh, we hit liquidity down here too. Bloop, back up to here, right? Oh, well, we're back up to here. Come back on down and hit this that we just created. And sure enough, we were just targeting those highs because we were barely breaking highs, and I was like, okay, we can target this high. We'll have good risk reward on it, right down here. Perfect. Never even really came too close to my stop loss. Not enough to where I was kind of shit my pants right here. I'm not going to lie. When we came down to here, I was like, I'm screwed. I'm cooked. It's going to cook me again just because of the start of this downtrend, But no, we reversed it. And people, we nailed it. So if I can show you the entry on this one. Had this downside 1 minute, downside 1 minute, but that's really about it. We might have had a 5 minute, but I don't think we did. 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. Just wait until it hits this zone or even just comes in here. It does whatever it wants. Bang, we come in, right? Coming to this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So 3 candlestick would have been here, that little method here, but that doesn't give me enough confidence to actually click the button. So this one right here too. Yeah, look, we retrace on that candle. We retrace on this candle, and then this one finally breaks it to the upside. So then after that one breaks to the upside, we break up, and we actually, this 1 minute gets disrespected, bang, into this one, and then we come up into this other 1 minute, come back down. I was already in at that point, but this one right here did show me that we weren't going to push down further. Because right here, once again, as we created this low that you could say, I don't think we would ever came back to it. After I saw this and we started pushing up and broke this high, I knew we were most likely going to be good. So after that, I did move my stop loss up to break even after we broke past this little high up here. So, and then we never got stopped out. So that was nice. And that is Wednesday the 8th. So if we can go to that. Oh, shit. Yep. Okay, I didn't mark one, but there's one of them. There's another one. There's another one. I think it was down I was down a fat penny right here. I don't know what this is. That's today. Why are we on today? I literally typed in bang. There it is. Okay. Bang. Yeah. Bang, bang, bang. Loss. This didn't chart it. So obviously it was stupid as shit. But, bang, $16 and then $2,000. That put us back up there. And then the last and final trade. The last and final Johnsons. Come on down into here. Wednesday, Thursday. Jimmy Carter. Friday. Broke on down past these lows. And honestly, I was not feeling it. Today. Honestly, felt pretty good about it. but like the whole week where it was just like, nah, that's not happening. Nah, you get stopped out being down 1,200 to being down 1,600, and then now I'm back up 1,100. It's just like messing all around. I wasn't really looking to do too much today because I did not want to lose another 1,500 if I didn't have to. So, proceeding that, we break lows pre-market, bang. Come on down, blah 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 blah. Actually, in fact, I thought we might have pushed up to these 4 hour. That was my main goal. Actually, if we didn't break further down, news is kind of stupid. It's bad news, just like that. And we don't come up back into there, so that kind of screwed me over a little bit. But we did sweep a little bit of liquidity. So we got a little retrace off of it, and then we get a little way down. And this one's gonna be a little interesting. So I actually need to remember that down, retrace, and maybe a continuation. 15-minute right here, and then another. I think it's a 1 hour. No, this is a new 4 hour. This is a new 4 hour, so we can wait for that on Monday if we desire. But this one really pissed me off, actually. So 15-minute right here. Hello. 15-minute right there. Go on into it. Start breaking back on down. Bang. I'm like, okay, here we go. I should have got in off of this 15-minute. Sadly, I was on. I was on at this time. My brain was not operating. I don't know. I was not operating. I should have taken it right off of this. We retraced way back into this 15-minute off on the 15-minute time frame, and all I should have looked for was just a entry point off of this right here. Is what I should have done, and then targeted these lows. But even though we didn't hit them, but that was the other thing. Okay, start moving on down. Should have got in up here. We all know I'm retarded, but we got it. We're good. We're good. We getting on in here. Get on in here. Where is it? There it is. Kind of, come down, retrace back up, hit some imbalances, come back on down, create some more imbalances, and then I wanted to say that this was an inverse, but I don't think it was because we had an inverse up there. Or just a 5 minute, 1 minute, one of the two. Something like that. But bang, we come flying on down. We don't break a low, but we did start this downtrend, and we didn't hit anything besides right here. This is where I should have got in, right here, honestly. Hit this 1 minute off of that, the retrace, bang, perfect, but didn't happen. Wish it did. Where I entered it, right along here. I think we had this 5 minute and this 5 minute, and then we already took out that 1 minute. I'm pretty sure these are 5 minutes. So we come on into this 5 minute. The 1, 2, 3. That one actually did give me enough. We broke past it, but we didn't technically come down past here. But I still had, I was like, okay, we kind of have a movement coming off of this. We started moving pretty well off of this. Some price action there. Move on down. This is what pissed me off. I have take profit 1 right here. Hit there, we automatic like 900. Hit here, another like 1,800. So honestly, I just wanted to hit here because we weren't hitting here. I was kind of watching it. I saw this part happen, and we came back up, and I just walked away from it because I was like, I'm not dealing with this, honestly. But we came on down. It was pretty nice. Came back up, didn't hit our stop loss, came back on down again. We broke past it barely just on this candle, and we just didn't want to push down. We just didn't. And then look, move on up, come back down. Yep, come back down into this crap aftermarket, but I do currently have this going. Saw a little entry point off of this 15 and 5 minute, or 5 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, 5 minute, 1 minute. So thought it looked pretty nice. Came on in here, came on down off of it, retracing really nice. Didn't break these highs, and we started breaking down past these, like lows, if you want to call it. I kind of call it lows, retracements, whatever you want. But yeah, then we're just targeting back down to here, these previous lows where I was targeting before. So hopefully we can swing on down, and tomorrow I can wake up a little happy. But once again, if that does not go the way I do, I could be down. I don't know how that really works. I've never done one of these before over the night market. I don't know if my stop loss would be hit, or if I'm just going to lose like $2,000 randomly. So, but bang, this is today. Yeah, that's today. Down 551. Kind of was just like, yeah, I'm not going to do anything about it. Kind of done with this week, honestly. And on the week, in fact, this is really interesting. I'm still up 1,500. So I think last month being up, I think it was like 9-ish thousand. And then I'm starting off this week 1,500. And it wasn't, honestly, that was a bad week. Just did things that I didn't really want to do. I mean, I was taking trades randomly, this and that, kind of just clicking buttons, moved into school, new environment. I mean, that's really all there is. I mean, I think it's because of me just being in a new spot, new place, I actually don't even have my setup in here. It's literally just my computer. But, we got that. We got the game down there. Got all my clothes put away and everything. Got that stuff up there. A little room tour, maybe, just a tad. The living room, the TV, yurt, roommate's room, random TV, no idea. But, got to take out the trash in a little bit, but, just got that going. So, do whatever we need now, honestly. Can go take a shower or whatever I want, but so far, New Year pissing me the fuck off, dude. Like, the last week, bro. Like, look at these, bro. 880, 1169, 0, minus 550. Honestly, these all should have been, or these first two should have been like minus 2,000. And I just came back and somehow clutched up on, I don't know, two trades. Clutched up on two trades to get back into the positive, and that's all there is. I mean, but once again, that is another reason why your stop losses are good. You can win one trade and come back from being down $1,500, now you're up $800, or like this one right here, up $1,100. Took me one trade. I was down like almost 2,000 on that day, and I came back, got that one trade, and added another one onto there and cashed out for like 2,300, or no, I think it was 3,300 actually. That was crazy. Yeah, I didn't even realize it, but I think it was 3,300. That would have been my highest trade of the ever. Yeah, highest trade ever, 3,300. I'm almost certain that was the most. Like 2,000, yeah, right here. Oh yeah, by far. Wait, yeah, by far. 3,211, 3,211, biggest trade of them all. Right there, the 7th. So, hey, can't complain. Trying to keep grinding on this stuff, but once again, as you know, it's Friday and I haven't posted since a while. So, we're going to try and get it together a little bit here. This one's a little bit longer. Currently recording, it's at 38 minutes. So, give you guys a little bit more quality content to watch, Hopefully this does export as I want it to be. The video should be good. I don't know about the Wi-Fi was cutting in and out. I don't know what was happening. I don't have my Ethernet plugged in. But Wi-Fi here sucks, so hopefully it's not blurry or I'm talking weird and it's glitching or this and that, but so be it. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Unfortunately, Penn State lost, so that's sick. Literally wearing this sweatshirt, that sweatshirt, and we lose. There's like everyone there is like an Irish fan, so that's all I get talked about today. So that a losing trade combined together does not make a happy person. So should have some fun tonight though. Hopefully Ohio State does lose. I called it. If Penn State would have won, I wanted Ohio State to win to get into the championship, but since Penn State lost, I can't root for Ohio State anymore. Just can't. Not going to. So Texas, horn down. Come on now.